What's good, loyal gang? So I'm back in this thing y'all with another video. So today y'all, I'm about to be showing y'all how I slay this wig from WIGNEE. Y'all, this is my first time working with them, and I'm just showing y'all the packaging and everything. This is what came in my package: a wig cap and some lashes. Lashes are so cute. And as y'all can see, the wig cap comes in like a little container. And it's not like a typical wig cap. It's one of those that have like the net. So if you want to do like a sew-in or something, this would be perfect. So this right here, y'all, is this bomb wig. This is their Peruvian curly in 18 inches. So this is their 150 density wig. This is, like I said, their Peruvian curly. Y'all, it's something different about this Peruvian curly. It's so pretty. Y'all gonna see how I get these curls. They was popping, y'all. Popping. So I'm just running my hands through it so y'all can see that I am getting a little bit of initial shedding, nothing too crazy. And this is just a construction of the wig. One thing I did notice about this closure that's a little bit different is that it has like three little parts already in the closure part. And I guess that's so you can do like a little 3-part closure method if you wanted to do a middle part or a side part or a left side part, right side part. So right here, y'all already know how I gotta do. I gotta add my little sauce on it. I already went ahead and plucked the wig and thinned it out like the closure part. And now I'm just gonna show y'all exactly how I get ready to lay my closure. So y'all know I kind of like the frontal look for the closures. I typically try to switch it up, try to make it look as natural as possible. So I'm just taking off those little bulky parts on the side. I don't know what those parts called, y'all, but you know the little side tabs or whatever. I'm just cutting those off with my scissors. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and do my part right down the middle, just like that. And y'all, this wig was so easy to part, so easy to pluck. Like, I don't know, it was just something different about this closure and it's curly. And I did love the color of this wig, y'all. It's like a jet black. It's so pretty. So right here, I'm just thinning out my part a little further. So right here, y'all, I'm just taking my comb and I'm just going to show y'all exactly how I get ready to customize and pluck my hairline further. I usually do like a little straight line across the top, and I just kind of play around just to see how thick or thin I want my baby hairs to be. And then once I kind of got where I want my placement of my baby hairs to be, I just kind of go in and thin out like that little space in the front. I don't really know how to describe it, y'all, or explain it, but y'all just gonna have to watch to see exactly what I'm talking about. So right here, I'm just showing y'all how I get my closure flat, y'all. This is the key right here. Now, if I don't use spritz, as y'all saw me spray, y'all always use my hot comb, but if I don't use spritz, I will use a wax stick. But I didn't have a wax stick, so I went ahead and used my spritz, and it works just as good as the wax stick does. So I'm not taking it all the way down the hair, just simply because this is curly hair. So I'm just really focusing on that closure to get it flat. And then I'm also going to bring my baby hairs forward with the hot comb so that way they're already going in that direction for when I get ready to lay them. So right here, I'm just taking my scissors and I'm just going to, y'all know, I just kind of just eyeball it at first, and I'm going to take my what is this, gel, and I'm just going to go ahead and lay my edges. And you know, y'all, I can't really explain this. You just got to watch me do it because y'all, I be struggling. Okay, listen, it'd be hard to lay them edges, but I finally get it and it ended up turning out looking good. Now I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. I'm just taking my scissors and trying to get it as close to the other side as possible. So y'all see how the curls are looking on this side? These curls, y'all, this is how poofy the hair was. I kind of poofed it out just a little bit. I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I get my curls like this. These little ringlets. It's actually dry. I waited a little bit so y'all can see this is exactly how my hair looks all day. It stays like this all day. So if you want to get your curls popping and get them to last all day, this is what you got to do. Get some water and really drench your hair. Let me put something on my arm. Y'all, I had to get one of the kids' robes so I won't get my clothes wet. I'm just gonna get this my nozzle bottle. I don't have no spray bottle, y'all. My spray bottle broke, so I gotta get another one. But I like this one because it allows a lot more water to come out at one time. But usually I'll just take it and put it up under the tub or the sink or something. But this works just fine right here. So I get it run that water through the hair. So that's how the hair is looking. So now I'm gonna take my gel, and I just get a lot of gel, y'all. I get a lot, and I just put it all throughout my hair. And this is what really gives it like that wet, just got out the shower type of look. And what I do is, this is how I get my curls to really pop, because as y'all can see, that's how the curls look before. But if I want to get them like this, I take a paddle brush, and it don't matter what type of paddle brush it is. Just take that paddle brush and really slide it through the hair. My brush is a little dirty, y'all, don't mind it, but I usually just slide it at an angle. Y'all see that? Y'all, this WIGNEE hair is so bomb. I haven't had no tangling, no shedding. And this is curly hair, and y'all see how good this brush is gliding through the hair. Y'all see that? So I just do it at an angle. Y'all see how the curls just curl right up? And then I'm gonna take my mousse, and I did put some water in here because I was running out of it. I just take that, and I'm just gonna really just scrunch the hair up. So I just scrunch it. Y'all see that? This is why I love curly hair, y'all, because I don't have to worry about getting no comb, no hot comb, no straightener, no curling wand. This is why I like curly hair. And it lasts like this all day. I don't have to worry about getting no bend in it or bumping it or none of that. Once I do it one time, it's good until the next day. Okay, so this is how the hair is looking. This is how my edges and baby hair came out. Y'all, I am just loving this hair. Y'all know I love me a good curly hair. And this WIGNEE hair, y'all, they did that. This hair is so soft. When I tell y'all, as soon as I took it out the pack, y'all seen it. This hair was so soft. The shine on this hair is so nice. It's not too shiny. It don't look all fake shiny. Like, it's so pretty, y'all. It's so pretty. So to finish everything off, y'all know I gotta put my makeup on my part. That's the last thing I gotta do. If y'all want something quick and easy, and as y'all seen, I don't know if y'all peeped it or not, but I did not use any type of adhesive on this wig. I have nothing on my hairline but what I use to lay my edges. That's it. I can take this on, take it off. I don't have to worry about wiping up the wiping up some glue, none of that. So I really love this wig. It fits my hair perfect. I'm gonna just turn around so y'all can see these curls. Like, get into it. Let's get into it. Because it's these curls from me. Like I said, this side is completely dry. This side is a little wet still. As y'all can see, it is a little bit more longer because it gotta take time to shrink up a little bit. But y'all see them curls? I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. I really have nothing else to say about this hair, y'all. I am just in love with it. I want to see what y'all think about it. And y'all know we gotta see what Brian think about it. So let me go ahead and call him in here so we can get his input on this hair. Babe.
You know I ain't a fan of the short hair.
I know.
I'm the 26, 30, 39. You know what I'm saying? But I gotta say, you slayed this one. You slayed this one. This is on point.
You like it? I know you don't like, y'all, he don't like curly hair, so.
Yeah, I don't like curly hair.
I'm trying to win him over, but.
I gotta say, I don't know if it's because it's complimenting the dress. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, it do go good with this dress, y'all. It goes so good with this dress.
But that hair right there you got on your head is bomb.
Look at that.
Oh my God.
That, y'all, these curls.
Them curls on another level.
WIGNEE, y'all did y'all thing with this one. Y'all did y'all thing. Look at how flat this install is, y'all. I got some, how long these braids I done had in my hair?
You done had it for a little minute.
It's more than a little minute. It's been about 3 months. It's been about 3 months that I done had these braids. And y'all see how flat this wig is laying. I gotta give it to them.
Let's pay respect to the baby hair.
So it's the baby hair.
You know how you got them this laid. You just got them laid out there.
Y'all know I usually have curly hair down here. Down here. This here is giving. And I usually don't even feel like that about short hair. You know me.
It's giving what it's supposed to get.
It's giving what it's supposed to get.
It's giving what it's supposed to get. So, you know what I'm saying? Going off the bounce, the curl. It's really.
I gave you 2 sides when it's wet and when it's dry.
Wet and dry.
I know you like it when it's wet. You know what I'm saying?
You already know. I don't see any flyaways, which is good.
Yeah, it ain't no flyaways.
I see no flyaways. The baby hairs, I'm going to give an extra 5 points for that. So we're going to bust this one at 11 right here. 11. We're going to get this 11 right here. 11.
Y'all heard it? I'm telling y'all, it's so pretty. I just need y'all to understand. What you say, babe? 11 out of 10?
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
It had to be an 11 out of 10. You can't give it no lower than that because it's so pretty. Y'all already know. Y'all heard Brian. He said 11 out of 10. I'm gonna have to agree with him because this hair is everything, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this may be my favorite curly hair. The shipping was fast, customer service, everything, y'all. So what I need y'all to do is click them links in my description box. First, I need y'all to let me know in the comments down below what y'all think about this hair on me. On their website, wignee.com. I'll have everything listed down below in the description box. Use my coupon code, which is BRI10. If y'all don't order nothing else, get into this Peruvian curly, please. Y'all seen how quick and easy it was for me to install. Follow my easy tutorial. Y'all go ahead and click them links in my description box. Head on over there to wignee.com. I'll check them out. I will have all the information in the description box below. As always, y'all already know, we'll see y'all in our next video. We love you guys. Peace, loyal, gang. Gang, gang, gang. Gang, gang, gang.